As we move towards a more technologically advanced future, it's becoming increasingly clear that artificial intelligence, AI, is going to play a major role in the business world. From automating repetitive tasks to improving decision-making processes, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. So, what does the future of AI in business look like? And how can you stay ahead of the game? Let's explore. Firstly, it's important to understand that AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Different businesses will have different needs when it comes to implementing AI, so it's crucial to identify the areas where AI can be most beneficial. For example, AI can be used to improve customer service by automating responses to common inquiries, freeing up human agents to deal with more complex issues. It can also be used to streamline supply chain management by predicting demand and optimizing inventory levels. Another area where AI can have a big impact is in decision-making processes. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that humans may miss, leading to more informed and effective decisions. But with all the benefits that AI can bring, there are also concerns around job displacement and ethical considerations. As more tasks become automated, there is a risk that some jobs may become redundant. It's important for businesses to consider how they can upskill their workforce and ensure that employees are equipped to work alongside AI systems. Additionally, as AI becomes more prevalent in business, there is a need to ensure that ethical considerations are taken into account. This means being transparent about how AI is being used, ensuring that data is being collected and processed ethically, and ensuring that biases are not being introduced into decision-making processes. So, how can businesses stay ahead of the game when it comes to AI? Firstly, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments in AI technology and to be open to exploring new use cases for AI in your business. It's also important to invest in the right talent, whether that's by hiring data scientists or partnering with AI-focused startups. Finally, businesses should approach AI implementation with a strategic mindset. It's important to start small, identifying specific areas where AI can be applied, and then scaling up as you gain more experience and expertise. In conclusion, the future of AI in business is exciting, but it's also complex. By being strategic, staying informed, and keeping ethical considerations at the forefront, businesses can harness the power of AI to stay ahead of the game and drive innovation in their industries.